Hi gays, I'm Matsuda, the idiot and new ranter. My fandoms are Chainsaw Man, Death Note, Assassination Classroom, Demon Slayer, Bleach, Tokyo Ghoul, Attack on Titan, Fire Punch, My Hero Academia. And in terms of philosophy, I glaze TF out of Fyodor Dostoevsky, Albert Camus, Friedrich Nietzsche, Franz Kafka, and Osamu Dazai. I also love and am obsessed with Tatsuki Fujimoto. Look Back made me cry. And my favorite Death Note characters are Beyond Birthday, Light Yagami, Matt, Matsuda, Naomi. Bye, y'all. Stay safe and hashtag Let's Hate One Epstein and Trump.